Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn two simple landscape. This is very simple landscape, even easy for beginners as well. I'm using different round brush for this particular painting. So I'm using bigger brush. This is a size 12 and a smaller brush of size 7 and 1 for smaller element. So let's start with the first one. So basically we're going to create seascape. We need water area and sky area. So I'm keeping the 1/3 area for the land and for the water and rest area for the sky. So this much area we can keep for sea, and then we can draw some mountain or rocks, something like that, in these two areas. So that's very simple structure for a landscape. Now we can apply a thin layer of water in the sky area because we need a little fluffy structure for the sky. So I'm going to use different color. So I'm only applying water in the sky area, and then with the help of cobalt blue color I'm applying a layer in between, so it's not like even layer. Because we have applied water, it is spreading little bit in that particular area, so we are getting little lighter node and heavier node of the color. Then we can add dark shade of blue as well in between. So this is basically our clouds. Then I'm also going to add a little bit of purple color in between, as my sheet is still wet, so I can add those color. If your sheet is dried, you can apply a little bit of water and then do these kind of things, so that you will not get any patches or any hard edges for any particular color. I'm also using yellow and orange color for around sun area to show sunset. So I think this is done. Now take a tissue paper and roll it, and try to grab some color from in between to create sun. So this is the easiest way to do something like this. So as you can see, we are getting this negative space which actually reflecting a sun, and then with the help of dry brush technique remove some of the color from that particular area and keep your sun like this only. I have applied few other colors, so which is not looking that good, so keep your sun like this only, don't overdo it like I did. That is what I can suggest you. And then now let's paint some water. So this is the sea area which we can see. So I'm using sky blue color for this particular one. Apply a fine layer of color around sea area. And then the rest of the area is for mountains and rocks. So I'm using black color only. I'm not doing anything fancy here because this painting is for beginners, so I don't want to make it very difficult for them. So apply a layer of black color in the mountain area and the rocks area. this area is also for sea only, so I'm applying blue color again in this particular area. And then with the help of little dark shade of blue, apply fine line in a zigzag pattern to show this is the water area. My previous color have dried now, that's why I'm able to do it. So make sure your previous color have dried completely, and then with the help of dabbed brush, not too dry, not too wet, apply a layer of water, like glaze a layer of water, so that all the color mixed together and gives you a very fine effect. And then you can add small palm tree or coconut tree at the distance. I want to keep this area a little darker as compared to right now what we have, so I'm applying a layer of black again. And we are done with the first one. Now let's move to the second one. So second one is also a seascape. So we have sea area. Again, I'm using 1/3 area for the sea, and then this is actually a beach front, so we are also seeing some sands. So this area is for sand and rest is for sky. Again, applying a layer of water because I need sky area a little fluffier. This time I'm only using cobalt blue color for the sky, and I'm just going through in the sky area with very light color of cobalt blue, not doing too much in this particular landscape or seascape. I'm keeping the edges a little dark as compared to the middle section. And then with the help of a sky blue color, create sea. As our landscape is too small, so we don't have to worry about too much detailing, so that's why I'm creating a small landscape. And once done, with the help of yellow and brown color, I'm adding sand. So these are the sands area. So I have mixed yellow ochre and brown color together to get something like this. You can keep it little lighter, little darker, totally up to you. And then with the help of concentrated white color, you can add little detailing in the water which reflects the waves. But if you have acrylic color, I would suggest do these things with the help of acrylic color so that the white color little visible than the watercolor. Very well. Then I'm adding little bit of dark shade in between the sand area. and then we can add little bit of palm leaves towards left and right side. That is something you can keep only one side, or you can keep both the sides, or you can cover the whole top area. But I'm doing few leaves towards left side and few leaves towards right side, and I'm only showing the leaf here. So first I'm applying the light green shade, and then I'll do little detailing with the dark shade of green. With the help of dark shade, you can apply another layer. It's a group of 2 to 3 leaves here. It's done. You can slowly remove your masking tape. Do it carefully. And I think we are done with both the landscape. I'm adding little bit of dark shade in the sand area. So hope you have liked this video, and do let me know if you guys have any feedback for me, and thank you so much for all your love and support, and thank you so much for watching.